Replacing Lost or Stolen AirPods, a guide with AppleCare Plus.
Welcome to our guide on how to replace your lost or stolen AirPods under AppleCare Plus. We know that losing your AirPods can be a major inconvenience, so we've created this guide to help you get back on track as soon as possible.
What is AppleCare Plus?
AppleCare Plus is an extended warranty service that Apple provides for its devices, which includes AirPods. This service provides up to 2 incidents of accidental damage protection every 12 months. It also covers lost or stolen devices, but it's important to note that there's an associated deductible fee for these replacements.
How do I verify my AppleCare Plus coverage?
First, you need to confirm that you have AppleCare Plus for your AirPods. Here's how. 1. Find your AirPods original box or receipt, where you can locate the serial number. 2. Visit Apple's warranty status website. 3. Enter your serial number to confirm your coverage.
How do I replace my lost or stolen AirPods?
If you've confirmed that you have AppleCare Plus for your AirPods, follow these steps to replace them. 1. Contact Apple support. You can do this online or over the phone. Explain your situation and let them know you have AppleCare Plus and that your AirPods were lost or stolen. 2. The support agent will guide you through the process. They will typically request your AirPod serial number, so have it ready. 3. Pay the deductible. As of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, this fee was $29 for each incident, but you should confirm the current rate with the support agent. 4. Once your payment is confirmed, Apple will send your replacement AirPods.
What if I don't have AppleCare Plus?
If you don't have AppleCare Plus, you can still get replacement AirPods, but the cost will be higher. Contact Apple support to get a quote for the out-of-warranty replacement cost. Remember, AppleCare Plus is a great way to safeguard your AirPods against loss or theft. We hope this guide has been helpful, and that you'll soon be back to enjoying your music, podcasts, or whatever else you love to listen to on your AirPods. Thanks for watching.